Hey, NCT Mark came out with his solo song and MV called Child, and I've been wanting to check it out. Hey, Ashley Chunky, thank you for subscribing. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Let's get into this. Let's go. Finally, let's begin. Let's play this. Let's check this out. 4K captures on. Let's go. Oh, I mean, I did check out the trailer, so I knew the sound of it. Oh, okay. I like his outfit, low key. High key. I'd wear it. It looks like comfy. You know, I wear beanies already too. Ooh. Why he look like he's about to spit like he about to battle the way he's. It's making you dizzy. If I'm a troublemaker, then why? Girl, I don't even know why we ask questions. Another what? I'm reading the subtitles too. Bitch, hold up. Okay, let's switch up. Let's go. Let's go. He waking up and then in a fever dream. Whatever is this? I'm a child. Oh yeah. Okay. Dripped out. With the little fake little piercing, eyebrow piercing, I think it is. I don't know. Is it actual RP? Like a real one? Or Damn. Come on. Wait, what has happened back there though? Oh my bad. He's talking. Don't waste my time. Hey. What the? This man draft. He's shining. What the heck? Shine bright like a diamond looking. Hey. Okay, Bart. Where can you find that? Where do you find that outfit? There's something like GD would wear for some reason. Don't know. I like this style of music. I don't know about y'all. Like this direction where he's going. Where basically is like singing and rapping. It's more of a chill vibe. Instead of like a turned up type of stuff, like style. Have a good night. Oh yeah. Who's he running from though? Wait. Is that just cold air? Damn, it must have been cold. It's my question, many questions. 사람들이 바라본 난 누구야? Who am I? Who are they? 다른 밤 같은 nightmare. Different night, same night. Ooh, different night, same nightmare. Damn. Wait, someone said there's choreo in this. Did someone just lie to me right now? Oh yeah, sorry. Whoa, that's fuego. If y'all didn't know, fuego meant fire in Spanish. The background, the backup vocals. Oh, I mess with this. I'll mess with this heavy. Yo. I'm sure this is something Mark fans were expecting. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. I mean, obviously, I don't think... Is Mark known for being like a turned up trap type of dude? I mean, maybe on NCT he is, but like in a personal kind of like solo, probably not. I like how this music video is filmed too. Wait, what did he say? I'm a child. I can't be the person you want. Have a good night. No need for a lullaby. That ooh yeah, that little fuego added to it. His idol Justin Bieber his idol's Justin Bieber after all. In others' eyes. Interesting. Oh, that shot's lit too. That was like CCTV.
At the strings when I'm pissed 나를 사람들만 난 좀 twisted but the fittest to the point 꿈이라는 게 세상이라면 내 머리는 그걸 빙빙 도는 earth all day I'm alert, it's a curse, yeah it hurts I don't know my own strength There's a lot that I don't know But you learn when you don't know Red on my Valentino 부실로 부실래 내 책임감 자유로운 때까지 뒤는 돌아봐 공만남이 되고 싶어서 이사와 Propane 불어와 I need to go now Yeah, sorry
The ending, it's like a beautiful shot right here.
Yeah, don't say No, I'm saying what's on my mind.
And then the background vocals here.
I'm trying to spend this day just like yes, sir.
Oh, he running. Damn, what y'all think? It definitely seems like a song just to play in the background. It's definitely a vibe. It's definitely a lo-fi vibe too. I definitely would play this in the background when I'm chilling, you know what I'm saying? After a long day, it's a nice little song to play. All right, y'all. That's about it. I'm glad you guys are here checking this out with me. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X-toe, that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.